I'm Bob Dornhecker. New to IATF 16949, what you need to know and what to expect. IATF 16949 background. IATF 16949 certification is not just the IATF 16949 standard. IATF 16949 certification includes sanction interpretations, the ISO 9001 standard, which is the foundation of IATF 16949, the AIAG core tools, customer-specific requirements or CSRs, the IATF 16949 rules, statutory and regulatory requirements, as well as organizational processes and procedures. The IATF 16949 certification includes the certified site, which must be a manufacturing site in the automotive industry. It includes the support locations and the activities of those support locations, which can be on-site or off-site. The certification can include product design if responsible, but must include process design. And there's no exclusions to the standard and to the certification other than product design if that product design is supplied by the customer. What are the biggest obstacles to getting IATF 16949 certified? First obstacle is cost. There's many costs associated with the IATF 16949 certification, including development, certification bodies, auditing, fixing audit findings, consultants, implementing systems, purchasing standards, reallocation of resources, and refocus of department priorities. The other obstacle includes developing and maintaining a culture based on IATF 16949 expectations, including executive leadership focus and involvement. This includes buy-in and acceptance of responsibilities of each of the process owners. Another obstacle of IATF 16949 certification includes understanding and incorporation of all the support functions, support sites, headquarters supports, etc. for a manufacturing site. All of these supports must be included in the quality management system certification of a manufacturing site and must be audited. Another obstacle includes timing expectations. Typically, timing expectations are unrealistically short for all that has to be understood and implemented. IATF 16949 is cumbersome, complex, and resource intense, requiring a complete change in culture and organizational focus that must be maintained and improved on an ongoing basis, requiring frequent audits of various types, both internally and by the certification body. The IATF 16949 organizational structure. Top management has responsibilities within the IATF 16949 certified system. Those responsibilities include planning, resources, reviews of the quality management system, assigning authorities and responsibilities for actions and activities. The process owners also have a responsibility within the IATF 16949 quality management system. The process owners control the processes, identify risks, assign actions, and review metrics for the processes that they are responsible for. Every employee also has a responsibility for awareness and involvement. They have to have knowledge of their organizational performance and the expectations of the position in which they work. Also within an IATF 16949 organizational structure, there's supports. Supports are from other sites within the organizational structure, for instance, design centers, off-site warehouses, or corporate headquarters. Those supports need to be considered and incorporated into the site's quality management system. IATF 16949 technical structure. The emphasis of IATF 16949 differs from ISO 9001. Some of those differences include an emphasis on outsourced processes and customer-specific requirements or CSRs. A typical outsourced process may be heat treating, plating, coating, or welding. Customer-specific requirements, or CSRs, are unique to every customer within the organization. Also consider within the technical structure the process map, which is an interaction of processes, including any outsourced processes and supports. Part of the technical structure also includes documented process requirements. The requirements of ISO 9001 4.4.1, which is the definition of processes, including the measures of those processes. There is also a requirement within IATF 16949 for a customer-specific requirement matrix, or a CSR matrix, that shows the CSR processes to the organizational process. IATF 16949 also requires records to support the activities of the quality management system. IATF 16949 Implementation Plan. The 10 steps needed for IATF 16949 certification. Step 1, develop an initial Grand Master Plan that includes timing, responsibilities, gate output, review milestones, basically a project plan. Step 2, define responsibilities. Who will be the site champion and the process ownership. Step 3, define IATF requirements and training those responsible personnel. Step 4, determine the gap in the current quality management system to the requirements of IATF 16949. Step 5, defining assignments to address the gaps as far as documentation, implementation, and effectiveness reviews, and this takes the most time. Step 6, training employees to the process changes. Step 7, performing a systemic internal audit to find compliance issues. Step 8, taking actions to fix the audit issues. Step 9, complete one more audit to ensure the issues are fixed and the systems have improved. Step 10, preparing for registration by contacting a certification body to conduct a Stage 1 readiness review. Typically, timing expectations are unrealistically short for all that has to be understood and implemented. IATF 16949 is cumbersome, complex, and resource intense. In closure, SimpleQuE has the industry expertise and knowledge to help you accomplish your goals more effectively and efficiently than if you were to try to do this on your own. Don't hesitate to reach out for help. We have helped solve many complex issues with over 22 of the top 100 Tier 1 suppliers to automotive and over 6% of the IATF 16949 certified companies in the United States.